right? So let's walk through the 3 collisions that occur in a motor vehicle accident. Collision 1 is your vehicle with an object. Collision 2, you, the driver, colliding with your seatbelt. Okay, collision 3, your internal organs colliding with each other inside your body. Those 3 collisions occur when you're wearing your seatbelt. Now, remove your seatbelt, your vehicle collides with an object. You then collide with the steering wheel, the windshield, the tree outside, and the pavement when you hit the ground. Every time your body collides with something, your internal organs collide inside, causing damage, inflammation, internal bleeding. Very devastating. Seatbelts are designed to put the force of the impact on parts of your body that will keep you safe. Okay? The passenger compartment is designed to keep you safe if the seatbelt keeps you in. Wear your seatbelts.